What's going on, guys? This is Remi. I'm a licensed realtor here in Maryland. Been in the industry for about 6 years. I've closed about $30 to $35 million in sales, gross sales. I'm trying this new thing called YouTube. I really hope I can really bless you guys with some great content. Because my goal is really to serve people. My business is built on integrity. Feel free to give me a call if you have any questions about new construction, homes, investing in homes. My phone number is 240-302-6161. Before I let you guys go, I also wanted to show you guys my history here at Redfin. I've been with Redfin for about 3 years. Just want to share some details in terms of how many deals I've done. I've done about 72 retail, 8 plus new construction in the last 2 years alone. You can see here on the map where I've served in Maryland. And then as I scroll down, you can see as well customer satisfaction, reviews. I'm all about transparency. And also servicing my clients to the best of my ability. This business is all about integrity. You can find the link up above my header to my Redfin profile and as well to other social media platforms. Let me know if you have any questions. Shoot me a text, 240-302-6161. Thank you. Oh yeah, fun fact, I love to take risks.